All right, guys. So when they say take your animals to work day, this is what it's. This is what it is. I am here working, processing orders to send out, processing my trees to send out. So again, and look at that. They have decided that they wanted to come to work today. Look at this, all the animals. With the exception of the chickens. Those chickens, they like to stay by the coop. But everybody else, the chicken, the goose, the geese, the turkey, and the ducks. This is me right here, working. Look at this. They're right. I'm getting my boxes together to pack up these plants to ship out. And looky here. Take your animals to work day. This is what today is.